Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting devices talking. Enable Bluetooth on your Mac and on the MIDI controller, and confirm the controller supports Bluetooth MIDI. Once done, open Audio MIDI Setup and the Bluetooth MIDI window so you can pair. Make sure Garageband is open with a new software instrument track ready. You're setting permissions and the routing context now, not fiddling later. This prepares the system audio engine and prevents common handoff delays between pairing and application recognition. You pair in Audio MIDI Setup. Open the Bluetooth MIDI window and click the plus button to add your controller, then select it from the device list. Once paired, confirm the connection indicator appears. This tells Mac OS the MIDI endpoint is active. Next, switch to the MIDI Studio to verify the new device and its ports are present and enabled. This ensures Garageband can enumerate it. If Garageband was open during pairing, make sure to give it a second to detect the new port before testing input. You finish by selecting your software instrument track, opening the track input settings, and choosing the Bluetooth MIDI device you paired. Record enable the track and play to confirm notes register. Listen for latency and watch the Garageband CPU meter. If you see dropped notes or excessive lag, try toggling Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Repair the device from Audio MIDI Setup, restart Garageband, or, as a last resort, use a USB or wired MIDI interface to rule out wireless interference. This isolates connection issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.